This is Video Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to schedule start out time on Macbook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Apple's new Mac Mini looks like someone hit the Mac Studio with a shrink ray, and I love it. But there is at least one head button issue. You have to reach underneath it to power it on. If that bothers you and you're not into flipping it upside down so it looks like it's wearing a little hat, you can automate when it starts up and shut down by creating a power schedule. And in this video, I will show you how to schedule the start up time on your MacBook. So you can open your system preferences on your MacBook. Now you can go to battery section. And here you can go to battery schedule. Tap on schedule. I have schedule for the sleep time and I want to start schedule for the start up or wake time. You can check this in here. Now you can choose on the day that you want to wake up your Mac, also the time. The schedule for sleep time is at 7 and I want to wake up my MacBook at 10. And you can choose on the day you want to make it every day or just specific day. For choose on every day. Now don't forget to click on apply. So now your MacBook will be automatically start up or wake at 10 p.m. So simple, right? So that is how to schedule start up time on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!